Hello, homeowners. If you're 62 or older, I've got something that could change your retirement years. The new reverse mortgage of 2025. Now, I know what you're thinking. A reverse mortgage? Isn't that risky? Well, the FHA Reverse Mortgage program has seen some major improvements and protections since 2017, making it a valuable tool recommended by many financial planners today. So, what exactly is a reverse mortgage? It's a loan that allows you to convert your home's equity into cash without having to sell your home or make monthly mortgage payments. Instead, the lender pays you, and you can choose to receive a lump sum, monthly payments, or a line of credit. Repayment happens when you sell the home, move out, or pass away. Let's talk safety. FHA insured reverse mortgages are non-recourse loans. This means that you or your heirs will never owe more than the home's value. You keep any equity left over, and the bank never owns your home, you do. And just like a regular mortgage, you must pay your property taxes and homeowners insurance to avoid foreclosure. So, what are the benefits? First, no monthly mortgage payments unless you want to make them. Second, the loan proceeds may be tax-free. Third, it won't affect your Social Security or Medicare benefits. Finally, you can choose how to receive the money: a lump sum, a line of credit, fixed monthly payments, or a combination of these options. Common uses for reverse mortgage proceeds include making home repairs, covering medical expenses, or even helping to fund a grandchild's tuition. It's flexible and can help you maintain or improve your quality of life. And if you're considering buying a new home, the Home Equity Conversion Mortgage, HECM, for purchase loan can help you buy your next home without required monthly mortgage payments. It's a great option if you're looking to downsize, move closer to family, or lower your cost of living during retirement. The Richard Woodward team at Nexa Mortgage is here to help. Richard is a licensed reverse mortgage expert based in Dallas, Texas, with many happy past clients. He'll analyze your situation and provide you the option that works best for you, whether it's a reverse mortgage or a traditional one. Ready to learn more? Contact Richard for a free consultation and get your personalized reverse mortgage proposal. You can reach him at 214-945-1066. Remember, a reverse mortgage is a powerful financial tool, but it's important to get all the facts and consider your options carefully. Reach out today and see how a reverse mortgage can transform your retirement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making the most of your retirement years. Until next time, take care.